Salam and hello everybody, assalamu alaikum. Hope you're well. Alhamdulillah, I'm well, thank you. So we're parked at the IKEA car park. We need to buy a few things for the house, obviously, because that's what IKEA is for. But I thought I'd bring you along and kind of come shop with me. Not really done one of these before, but I thought I'd have a go at it. And yeah, if I buy anything, I'll share a haul with you. So it's very early actually, just dropped the kids off at school. It's 10 to 10 and I think it opens at 10. Maybe, I'm not sure. This is the second time we're coming to IKEA. It's not like around the corner, so we have to actually plan and prepare. Anyway, let's go in and let's have a look at what IKEA's got to offer in 2020. Just had some breakfast and we're going to start some shopping now. So yeah, it was like a full breakfast, full vegetarian breakfast for £1. Not bad. So we got 3 of them and some toast and tea's free and coffee's free, and it was £3 something. Wow, bargain. So we're going to do some shopping now. I think I want to get this for the downstairs toilet, yellow. So they've got artificial potted plants here. Let's have a look if there's any that we like.
Nice. Look, I like this one.
Yeah? Which one's that one? This one looks nice. Might get this one. Yeah?
Problem, yeah.
Okay. Kia likes this candle. Kia's lost in the candles. Apple, let me smell the apple one then.
They're both nice.
Apple's different. I'm not that big a fan of peach, so. But what about this? Vanilla? This is vanilla. No, okay, that's fine.
So I'll get apple then, I'll get as well.
Okay, get peach then.
I'll get apple.
Apple's strong.
You said you like apple, yeah?
Yeah. These massive jars, £2.50. Shall I get one? Just one.
What are you going to do with it? That's the question.
Put you inside it.
To be or not to be.
You know, put it in and I might like not take it back out again. Yeah. So there's loads of stuff for the kitchen, but we don't really need anything. Like these spotted green accessories. Cute. Is this a milk jug? What is it? What is this actually? I'm very curious. What are you? I like this blue, but it doesn't go with the kitchen at all. Another. So we've got some stuff for serving. I think these gold trays look nice. Aren't they? What's this serving plate? That's £11. Don't need it, in case you do. I like this one. It's nice if you want to eat like as a whole family from one tray. It's only £8 as well, and it's gold, if you can tell. We don't need any soft furnishings, cushions, but this corner looks nice. Actually, I saw these vases online and I thought they looked really nice. I like the colour. These are really nice, but I'm not going to buy it, but it looks nice. I love the setting. That bed looks comfortable. I really like the wicker basket look at the moment, which is in anyway, isn't it? Hi everyone. We could do with another laundry basket or something along them lines, because the ones we have always get ruined. The metal spring comes out. So maybe something like that, or even this. Nice big tub. This is only £2.50, so the laundry bag with a stand. The only problem is that it's open, so you don't want like smelly laundry to leave an aroma. Yeah. Let's see if there's any kind of rattle here for baby. But I don't think there is. They've got these 18-piece cutlery sets, £1.25. That's useful for Ayub. These lovely soft toys, these pandas. Look, panda Ayub. Look, Are you look? Are you getting on the bed? Okay. Panda, for you, present. I do want to get some fake flowers, so, but I don't need it in the pot. So if I can find the ones not in the pot. This is a nice tray for like putting your flowers on and your candles. I think I'll buy one of these. It's £3, like that. Look at some of the showrooms. Nice, clean. I like this one. This one attracts me. I love the colours of this one. I think it was like this last time we came actually. It's so nice. Like you wouldn't think to put grey and like a dark blue and teal, but it goes well. I want something like this, so she said, I just asked one of the workers, I think the fake flowers are downstairs, so I picked something like this up. I don't need the jug though. I also really like this kitchen, black. Now Akil's at home now, rocking chair. Where's your newspaper and your slippers, love?
I don't know.
It's nice though. I could just stay here. Ayub likes the rocking chair as well. I'm gonna get this plastic bag dispenser. Looks useful. This is nice. I really like these metal storage baskets. Got lots and lots of fake flowers. Really nice. I think we're done for now. Done alright. Haven't spent too much. Actually, could do with the doormat right at the front there. We're ready to pay now. I think we've done well, not spent too much. Are you happy that I didn't go crazy, love? We're home now. Had a lovely time at IKEA. Picked up some donuts just after paying. So it's 4 for I think £1.10. Had 2 of the chocolate ones. Ayub ate most of that. So just gonna tuck into the donuts with a hot drink and then hopefully show you what we picked up. Salam everybody. So it's actually a few days later. I've not had the chance to sit down and record a haul of the things that I bought from IKEA. The kids are home for half term, so I've just not had a chance. And I thought I'd better show you the stuff so I can actually make use of it. I can't find the receipt anywhere and I'm so annoyed because I wanted to tell you the prices as I show you the stuff. So I'm just going to tell you approximately from what I can remember, or if I'm not sure I'll just tell you that I'm not sure. So in total we did spend £29. Some stuff that I put in the trolley that we didn't buy. The big £2.50 storage jar. It was really nice and big. I liked it. I think I'll get it next time. But I just wasn't sure that I needed it then. Also the aloe vera plant. We've got an aloe vera plant in the kitchen. And I thought we'll just take from that and make a new aloe vera plant. Because when we took it to the tills, it was £7.50. I thought it was about £3. But the cashier said that was for the smaller one. And I thought I'm not going to go back and get another plant. So just left that. And I thought we can easily split the one that we've got in the kitchen, which is overgrown anyway, and then put that into a separate pot. I'll do it, or I'll ask Akil to do it, inshallah, at some point. Also, we bought an apple scented candle, which is upstairs in the bedroom. Akil's been putting that on. And my house smells of apples. Not really, it's not that strong a scent, but we've made use of it already. So I'll just make a start then, I guess, and show you the stuff we picked up. So I got this 18-piece cutlery set, plastic cutlery set for the kids. I thought this is perfect for Ayub, especially Harun when he's a little bit older. Obviously he won't need to use it right now, but I like that they're quite thick plastic. It's good for small chubby hands. So you got the fork, knife, spoon in a few different colors, and most likely these will be lost really quickly, but I look forward to using them. And the good thing is they were only like £1. I think these were £1.85. Not 100% sure on that price, but under £2 definitely. Got this hanging plant. So this was £6. It comes in this black pot. I love that it's quite nice and long. That's gonna go in the downstairs toilet, which I've almost finished decorating, so that'll add a nice touch. And then I thought I might put this hanging plant in this pot. I'm not sure. So this is a gold like plant pot, and this was, God, I can't remember, £1.75. maybe something along them lines. Yes, I thought I could either put the hanging plant in there, or I might just put the hanging plant in the black pot and use this for something else. I'm not sure, see how it goes. Also got this fake plant, I think this one was £3, and yeah, it's nice and simple. I could also try that in the gold plant pot. So many options, not sure what to do, we'll figure it out though. Then I picked up this lovely tray. They've got loads and loads of like candle holders in the same design. I really like this tray, I thought it looked nice in the kitchen. I'll show you actually how I'm going to use a few of the items. I'm going to put this in the kitchen and put some fake flowers, maybe some hand wash and hand cream, and I think that'll look nice. And it's nice and big, so you can put candles on, fake flowers, and make a nice display. It's probably one of those items that loads of people have from IKEA, but I've not really seen it before. I picked up this little bouquet of fake flowers. So this was made in China. That's what it says. Like, they don't even have the prices on them. So I think this was £3. Can't remember. But it's lovely and pink. And I'll show you the vase that I'm going to put it in. I've got like a mini jug vase thing that I got from Poundland ages ago. I'll put them flowers in there, and that'll probably go on top of this tray. So I'll show you at the end of the video what I'll do with that. I got lots of glasses. We're really like short on glasses. I think we've got one glass that's made of glass, the rest is all plastic, like kids glasses. I don't know, they're always breaking. I got these small ones, 6 in a pack. I remember the price of these were only £1, £1. Anything that's £1 I will remember. Yeah, but they're a nice size for the kids especially, and they're sturdy, like they're not weak glass. And then I got a 6-pack of these bigger glasses, 6 times Godies or whatever it is called they make, and 6 times Rico. And these ones are taller, and again they're the sturdy glass. So this one was £3. I remember that as well. Okay, I've just got a few other items to show you. So we badly needed a doormat, so we got this one. This one's only 75p. This is just for temporary actually, because the one in front of the door is really messed up, but I want to get a nice one at some point. But I thought it's only 75p, just get this one for now. If you hear a bit of moaning, that's Harun. He probably wants me to pick him up now. Next I picked up this laundry hamper thing. I didn't want to get it at first because it's like open, you know, when you got dirty clothes you want to kind of enclose it, but I thought we're going to put it in the storeroom anyway, so that's kind of closed off, so any dirty clothes smell can stay in there. And the one that we've got, the laundry hamper, it like falls over, and then if you want to quickly chuck some dirty clothes in, you have to actually go and like bend down, open it open. It's a bit of a hassle, so this might be useful because it's on a stand. And most importantly, it was only £2.50, so really cheap. Finally I got this thing, which is a plastic bag holder. There's so many like uses for it and like storage hacks. I think I use it to store like my cling film, foil, kitchen foil, baking paper. I'll show you how I'm going to use this as well now actually, and I think I'll stick it inside one of the kitchen cupboards. But it basically goes like that, and then I think you can stick it on with these self-adhesive strips, or you can stick some screws in I think. But this was only £1.50, and there's like loads of different uses for it, and I look forward to using that. And that is everything that we picked up from IKEA, apart from the donuts and the £1 breakfast deal, which is really good. A nice hearty breakfast before we went on our merry way and did a good old shop. I'm pleased that I didn't spend more than that, because it's so easy to go in there and just pick up everything. But now I'll show you how I'm gonna make use of a few of the things, and then that'll be it. So this is the vase that I was telling you about, the one I got from Poundland. I did have some pencils and stuff in, but I think it looked nicer with this little bouquet. So here's the tray. I'm not gonna leave it here, I'm just showing you. So I'll probably pop it in there, just kind of squeeze it in like that. I think that looks really lovely. I'm going to buy a nice little hand wash and hand cream set and put that on this side. If not, I'll put like a candle or something. But I'm going to put this next to the sink now, so you can see what it'll look like in place. I think that looks really cute and pretty, mashallah, and I look forward to buying a nice little hand wash and hand cream set. The plastic bag holder is ready to use. I've got some space on the side of my fridge here. I might just stick it in here, you know. It's a bit too long for inside the cupboards, so won't be using the screws, just the self-adhesive strips on the back. Yeah, these strips here. That's nice and hidden in there. Let's fill it with some stuff. So yeah, in case you want to know exactly where it is, there's the fridge and it's just round the corner. So I've got some kitchen foil, which is almost finished. I need to buy some more. Some cling film. I'd also put in some baking paper or greaseproof paper, but I've run out. These are some freezer bags or like sandwich bags. And I've got a few of these food waste bags. Stick them in there as well. And I've got some slots left here as well. So I can put lots of other stuff in as well. But yeah, loads of uses as well. I've seen it used for like wrapping paper. Like you can actually stand them inside like this. I actually put them inside rather than through the circles. Yeah, wrapping paper, umbrella holder. I thought it's useful for toilet roll recycling, so maybe in the bathroom somewhere hidden. Once your toilet roll is empty, you can put the toilet rolls in there and take them down or take them to the recycling once it's full. Do you have one of these yourselves, and what do you use them for? Let me know.